Here I am at Walmart and I thought I'd go through their floral section. Let's take a look, guys. So here they have these little bunches, these bouquet bunches. This is peonies mix. Look at that. That's a pretty big bouquet, guys. I don't know if you could see that, but let me try to get a price on this. It's a mixture of different flowers and I don't see a price, but they're pretty big. Guys, these are pretty big, so I can't get a price on them. Let me see, maybe $5.86 if I'm looking at this correctly. And then they have the red, white, and blue, the hydrangeas. And then up here, what kind of flowers are these? So these are also in bunches, and I'm not sure what kind of flowers those are, but look how beautiful they are, very deep red. So then they have these purple ones right here, guys. I'm absolutely loving this color purple. Okay, so this purple dahlias, aren't they beautiful? I'm loving that deep color. So you get a nice bunch here, and I think those bunches are $3.47. Then these orange ones right here are so pretty, guys. These are ranunculus. Those are very beautiful, guys. And then you have these yellow flowers down here, and these are yellow dahlias, and these bunches look a little bit smaller, and those are $1.47. So look at the size of this. Okay, this is one stem. Somebody just stuck that there. And this is called the orange gladiolas, and that's $5. And there's the bunches of the peony, but it's a peony mix. And then over here you have some baby's breath over here, and then these, I don't see a tag, but they're $3, guys. So that's what these look like. The florals are not full right now. I just thought I'd show you what they have. They're $3 for this bunch right here and this bunch here. Then these, aren't they gorgeous, guys? These are also $3, but that's $3 for one stem. Then you have these are these roses? No, this is it's a mini cabbage rose. Have you ever seen that, guys? Aren't they gorgeous? And then look at those up there, and that reminds me of onion grass. So here's the open roses. And then here is the hydrangeas. Look how big they are, guys. So each one is $3. They have them in the powder blue and that beautiful green. And here's some more roses. And Walmart has some beautiful florals, guys. These are tiger lilies. I love that. And here is this the protein. And here the olive branches, guys. I love those. And then they have the dry flowers right here. Aren't these dry flowers gorgeous? And look at these flowers. So these are $2 each. These right here. So, and I'm loving this ceramic vase. Every time I come here I say the same thing. So these are the galvanized buckets, and they're pretty big size, guys. They're $2.72 for these. These are all the same kind. So, and then I don't think I saw this the last time I was here. That was randomly placed, so I don't really know the price, and the price is not on the label. Okay, so then they have these baskets here. They're really pretty. Then they have these for $12.97, and look at this, guys. That is gorge. Oh, I just love those. So then they have these wreath rings, but that can't be the tag. That's $11.88. Can't be. I think that's much less. It's on the wrong spot. So they have these, and then here's the other one of those jugs. And then I'm liking these too. I think these are really pretty, guys. So I'm not sure if they're $10.88 or $11.88. Then they have this, and let's see. And then they have these little ones. So I'm liking these bowls too. These are really pretty, and also this succulent arrangement. So the rolls of the burlap, I think, are really I think that's a good buy, and they come in all these colors, guys. And so this is the first time I'm seeing this lace, unless that was randomly placed. That's really pretty. And I like this brown, and there's like that white color burlap I love. They don't have it here. So here's a wreath ring. I could really use this wreath ring because I want to see if I can make a project with this. And these guys, absolutely, guys, I am in love with these. I don't know what they are. I'm not sure what they are, but aren't they gorgeous? I love these. And so they have the multiple little stones here, and here are the bags of sand. And they have stones and pebble stones down here. And look, they have a whole box of the seashells. So they have your styrofoams, and then you have your birch logs on the bottom, and you have some of their vases. This one right here, guys, isn't that gorgeous? That one right there. So that's beautiful. And then this vase right here is the iridescent. I'm really liking that, and I'm really loving this one. So that's beautiful. You have all of your incense and your diffusers. And what are these? Your essential oils. Okay, so those are really nice. Then over here you have some more diffusers, some more essential oils. Some of them have missing one. Like, why would somebody just take one? So this is a full pack here, and it's $12.47. Then you have the wax melts over here, rosemary and spearmint up there. That looks nice. And then here you have your religious candles. The bottom one's the LED. I think that's the first time I've ever seen these, the flameless prayer candles. I never saw those. This is I think that's the Guadalupe. I'm not sure who these angels are. There's Jesus. Wow, I never saw the LED ones. And look at their lanterns, guys. I'm loving their lanterns. And also, guys, I'm liking those candle holders. And look, they have the mirrors for $4. This is a nice size mirror. It's 8 by 8. That's really nice. So, and those are the bigger vases over there. So that's what I'm noticing new. And then they have the pack of tea lights, which I think is pretty neat to buy them in this size, but I don't see a price. Then they have these tea lights here, and these are all those LED candles. And then here are your wax melts, guys, and they come in every scent you can imagine. Even the Yankee candle has their little the wax is right here. Better Homes and Gardens, guys, and those are like $2 each. And that's pretty neat, guys. And then the candles are pretty wiped out over here, so I can't really show you much, but I hope you guys are having a good day, guys. I'm here, like I said, I'm here at Walmart, and we're just scanning through their floral aisle, and I will see you guys in another video.